Hello. Why is it that there is a shortage in healthcare workers? Well, that's my policy question. First of all, what does a policy mean? Well, it's a written action as to what should be done and is normally written by government and enforced and changed by them. So I think that we need to change the healthcare workforce problem, especially when it comes to people working in direct care, primary care, or any place where you would get healthcare needs taken care of. I think that this policy affects all people because it affects the people that work there, affects those that are getting the care, and affects those that run the organization as well. As you can see from this slide, there has been many studies that have shown an increase in a shortage of those working in healthcare, such as there being more than 105,000 shortages, whether it be in primary care, as I had mentioned before, or non-primary care, also previously mentioned. And as you can also tell, that what contributes to healthcare is the growing need for the care, the aging population, and even more. This policy is a big deal to me personally because I currently work in a position that would be considered under the direct care scope, and there is a constant battle as to giving us a living wage, such as there was a march that happened called Be Fair to Direct Care. And it's more than a march, it's a movement that allows for us to have a say in what we make. And even our individuals had signed a petition to ensure that we get the wage that we deserve. In conclusion, this policy needs to change to help with the elimination of jobs and as I have shown in this slideshow that according to reports, government jobs are also being affected because of the healthcare workforce shortage. And policies are meant to change and improve, and this should be number one priority.